Hello guys, and today I'm going to be flying my helicopter. Let's go. Austo. Original. There's this. Don't you hate that. Hate that when it behaves like this. I have to do many remakes because something bad always happens in each clip. And what's going to happen in this one? Okay. No! No! I forgot, it was backwards, so it's going to do that. So here's hope. You saw that! Nowadays. Oh, this is so cool. I'm happy with this present. So you start from here. And a soft landing. High five. Kabump. Kabump. Whoa. This is so cool. We need to learn how to actually fly this. We need balance and, of course, yes. Whoa. Don't crash into anything. Things being an A. Whoa! Hey! Thank God that didn't go fully under my bed, or else it would have died. Speaking of death, it's almost done. I notice. It's flashing slower. Okay, I'm gonna try. Never mind. Okay. That was a softer landing. a softer landing, but the flight was not going up at all, but it was here. Whoa! That's why you never play with it like that. There's so much air. And it's out of power. Frick. Well, that was fun. Bye, guys. I accidentally didn't stop the video. Let's redo that. Bye, guys.